Hey friends, hey y'all, I am ContactCoCoDenise and we are currently on a vacation at Winter Park, Colorado. We have just arrived at our lodge. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a tour of our place. Here is the bedroom. It is a queen size bed. And then this is the owner's closet right here. This is our closet. Extra sheets at the bottom. There's a fan and there's also a humidifier. Ironing board. Is there a TV in here? Right, there is a TV in here. And then some drawers. Here's the heating system right here. We're on the first floor. And here's our view from the bedroom. Look at all the snow. When booking, I got room 1110. So typically room 1110 I would think would be on a higher floor. But if your room starts with the number 1, then that means you're on the first floor. So I didn't know that. So since there is a little, there's a height to get here because we're on the slope side. So there's like, you have to go through the parking garage, go through another elevator, and then go down the hallway to try to get here. So because of that, we're just gonna stay in this room. I did call front desk and they do have some other rooms available, but literally I'm just tired. We're just gonna stay in this room. Here's the bathroom. Towels, toilet paper, blow dryer, pedestal sink, just a regular bathroom, no detachable shower head, and lots of towels with extra towels. We have a full-size refrigerator. Let me show you guys really quickly. Microwave. Pots and pans. Cutting board. Oh, look at this. Lots of plates. Two sinks, dishwasher. Let's see if anything's over here. Yep, got some cleaning supplies over there and trash bags. Oh, look at here, more stuff. Oh, look at that. They even have shot glasses. This is cute, the little ski, and it has pictures. These are these actually may be pictures of the owner. That's cute. Check out the bear snowboarding. Couch that says Winter Park. Fireplace.
Fireplace.
These look like the new Chanel boots. And this little man is really creepy. We have a door to the patio. 2 chairs out here. Look at the snow. Someone had built the snowman over there. On that note, this concludes the room tour. Make sure you stay tuned for the travel vlogs, and I'll see you next time.